The FDH error code on an LG refrigerator indicates a defrost error, which typically occurs when the defrosting cycle takes longer than an hour to complete, resulting in an accumulation of ice. This issue is often caused by a blocked drain, a disconnected or blown temperature fuse, or a faulty defrost heater. To fix the error, it is necessary to identify and address the underlying cause. If the issue is a blocked drain, the solution is to unblock the drainage by pouring warm water into the area where ice has formed, allowing it to melt away, or by turning off the refrigerator and opening it until all the ice has melted. However, it is crucial not to use a heating element to melt the ice, as this can cause damage to the wiring. Additionally, inspecting the fuse, located at the back of the fridge, is essential to determine if it has blown or is disconnected, in which case it should be replaced or reconnected securely. The defrost heater, also located at the back, should be checked for damage or loose connections, and if necessary, replaced or tightened. By following these steps, the FDH error code can be resolved, and the refrigerator can function properly again.